Oh, come close. Let me show you something. And you see this? It already comes pre-plucked. It's already bleached. Look at these knots. Fresh bleached knots. Okay.
I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank you, and I wish to say, I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank you, and I wish to say, I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank you, and I wish to say.
I am back with another hair review from Nadula Hair. I received Nadula's Bye Knots 7x5 pre-bleached YAKI straight glueless wig. In the package, it came with the adjustable band so you can adjust it to your liking. And child, come close. Let me show you something. And you see this? It already comes pre-plucked. It's already bleached. Look at these knots. Fresh bleached knots. Okay. And this is a glueless unit, so you know what that means. So I'm just taking a little bit of my lace tinting mousse, and I'm using this in the shade light brown, and I'm just going to put this in the closure area, and I'm just going to let it dry for a little minute, and then I'm going to slap this on, and I'm going to show you how to put on this wig with no glue. So now that I have the wig on and I have her secured how I want it, this is the most bombest bob ever. The texture is definitely giving relaxed, and you can part her anywhere. You can part her in the middle, you can part her on the right side, on your left side, wherever you want to part her, girl. It is your prerogative, and we ain't talking about no Bobby Brown. So for me, I am going to part this on the right side. I usually like to part mine on the right side. I feel like that is my good side, so we're just going to part her on the right, girl. And I'm just going to do just a little swoop-de-doop baby hair on the side, just a little bit, and just put in like a deep side part. So yeah, I'll be back when I am done styling the wig. So be sure to stay tuned for my commentary and thoughts on this segment. And if you're interested in the wig that I am reviewing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
Turn up. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. She don't love me, she's too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I don't wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get no baby. Anytime, it's a me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Baby, I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need much, I'm fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. Got this time, go where I want. Hope you know what you want.
So here's the finished look. Tell my fiance he approves, cause this look right here, I look so delicious. I mean, it should be a crime to look this good. But can we just give a round of applause for this cut? This bob? Shipping and handling was pretty quick. I would say I received my wig within like 7 days. So you get it within like a week. And it's just a simple fact that this wig is glueless. And I did not have to use any glue for this. The texture is definitely giving relaxed to natural blowout straight hair. Definitely 10 out of 10. But make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
Nadula.